My name is Fouad Fadaghi. I'm the Principal Analyst at Telsyte. Telsyte is an editorially independent part of DXC Technology. We provide market research into consumer and business technologies and help our customers better navigate the challenges that lie ahead. Generative AI is a way of creating content using artificial intelligence. It can generate text like ChatGPT, images like DALL-E, or even sound and video in some of the newer applications. We started doing research into generative AI at the end of last year, and we found some really interesting developments, notwithstanding the rapid uptake in the Australian and New Zealand market. We're seeing similar sort of behaviour across the whole of the ASEAN region. In our survey where we interviewed on generative AI, we spoke to over 1,000 consumers, sampled by age, gender and location, and also weighted by age, gender and location. So we have a very robust market research model to measure the adoption of different emerging technologies. As of June 2023, we think there is over 4 million Australians that are using ChatGPT, one of those generative AI platforms. And this is a faster adoption rate than Netflix when it first launched in Australia, which only had around 2.5 million subscribers after 6 months. Around 1 in 4 customers are already using chatbots for customer service when interacting. Around 1 in 8 prefer it over a human agent. The survey shows, interestingly, once consumers have already used within their consumer life an application like ChatGPT, they get more comfortable with using chatbots from their favorite business that they interact with. So what we anticipate is this new technology to influence how businesses react to their customer behavior going forward and utilize this to have cost savings, but also improve the service that they can provide to their customers as they get more used to those interfaces. We're seeing a lot of applications that already make use of AI, whether it's content that we're seeing in our feeds or maps that we're using to route ourselves around traffic conditions. I think what we expect to happen is more technologies such as language translation and the ability to brainstorm ideas or summarize documents becoming a lot more popular within the workplace using some of the generative AI technologies. Employees might be training AIs to do various aspects of their role, which will help open them up and free them up to do other more difficult parts of their responsibilities. So half of our consumer survey respondents indicated that they felt that this would impact their work and what they might do in the future. I think what we see in our research is consumers have a mixed feelings when it comes to artificial intelligence. On one hand, they've got some worries about runaway AI and its dominance in the workplace and possibly removal of jobs. On the other hand, they're very comfortable with this technology being used for some of the core aspects of their safety, including fraud detection and cybersecurity services. So it's a balancing act. For businesses, it's going to be about understanding the concerns and dealing with those concerns, but also making sure that they're using the latest technology to provide the best service they can to their employees and customers. One of the main calls to action for businesses today is really to look at your existing data and analytics business practices and look at what data is captured and how that data might be able to be used within these new artificial intelligence platforms going forward or deep learning platforms going forward. We're seeing that consumers are not turning away from these technologies. This is an area that's going to continue to grow, and businesses need to adapt and understand how they can use these technologies to better service their customers.